Real conversation. Number 1. First day at work. Emma is starting her new job today. She's a marketing coordinator who just moved to the city. Mike is a senior marketing specialist who's been with the company for 3 years. He's known for being friendly and helpful to new employees.
Hi there. You must be Emma, right? I'm Mike from the marketing team. I heard you were starting today. Welcome to Henderson Marketing Solutions.
Yes, that's me. Nice to meet you, Mike. Thanks for the warm welcome. I'm so excited to be here and finally start working, but I have to admit, I'm feeling a little nervous too. It's my first job in a big company like this.
Oh, don't worry about that at all. Everyone feels exactly that way on their first day. I remember when I started here 3 years ago, I was so nervous I could barely introduce myself. But you'll absolutely love it here. The team's fantastic, the projects are really interesting, and the company culture is amazing. Here, let me show you around the office and introduce you to some people.
That would be wonderful. I really appreciate you taking the time to help me. By the way, where should I put my jacket and bag? And do you happen to know where I can get some coffee? I didn't have time to grab any this morning because I was so worried about being late on my first day.
No problem at all. Your desk is right over there by that big window. You actually got one of the best spots in the office with natural light. You can put your personal things in the drawers there. And the coffee machine is in the break room down the hall. We have really good coffee here, plus free snacks and fruit. I'll show you everything in just a minute.
Perfect. That sounds amazing. I love having natural light when I work. Oh, and I have another question. What time do people usually take their lunch break around here? I want to make sure I follow the office routine and don't accidentally eat lunch at the wrong time.
Good question. Most people go for lunch around 12:30 or 1 o'clock, but it's pretty flexible. There's a great little sandwich place called Tony's right across the street. They make incredible Italian sandwiches. There's also a salad bar 2 blocks down if you prefer something healthier. Actually, would you like to join me for lunch today? I can show you the neighborhood and maybe introduce you to a few more people from our team.
I'd absolutely love that. You're being so welcoming and helpful, Mike. I was really worried about fitting in and making friends here, but you're making me feel so much more comfortable. I think I'm really going to like working here. This seems like such a friendly place to work.
What did you understand from this conversation? Listen again and focus on the key phrases and expressions they used. Key phrases from this conversation. You must be Emma, right? Nice to meet you, Mike. I'm feeling a little nervous. Don't worry about that at all. Let me show you around. That would be wonderful. Where should I put my things? Your desk is right over there. What time do people usually take lunch? Would you like to join me? I'd absolutely love that.